In the last episode, we talked about traveling mechanisms. Now in episode 4, we get into time zones. Now in the time zones, the panel divisions is knowing how to open portal activation signals. This will travel in time through frequency mode systems, which will communicate in all channels of time capacitor of volume active systems. The clocks of cycles will change in time zones. This will put you through location centers of high velocity wind spin dimensional realm systems. Look at this. The communication devices of time sectors is allowing the multiverse connection to interforce vibrations of balance of space and optical unit systems. Having counter relation between space and sector and time units will give higher communications of partnerships of wormholes. The paraphrasing unit system through its sector divisions of time codes is finding balance between patterns of shapes and anomalies and colorations. The frequencies will put space connection in its time formations. Rotations of the gamma rays will change time elements of force recognition to acceleration of mocking locations. Doing this through voicing energy patterns will give the speed odometer of time sector units to prevail its clocking mechanisms. The sector division is allocating MECCANEUTRAL systems. As we discover locations of time zones, we can put everything in motion through telekinesis. As the time zone is in motion, the detector of space will activate the grids of dimensions in line frequencies, which will analyze the time zones of alignments to multi-connections of paradigm shifts of other solar planet systems. The energy locations of planets and solar systems is lining the Ben graphing mind systems. As you keep a close eye on its provisions, your ASTRO connections to your energy waving clock systems will receive electronic interference to coloration patterns of teleportation devices of time code activations. Now the line signals is very important to space and time. This puts formations of other devices of coloration of variations of dimensions. Knowing this through the voicing box activation code frequencies systems, the body of the simulator is locating all devices, and the channel mode system is line communicating through its locations of pixel conceptions. Stay tuned for the next episode as I talk about Matrix and its location.